Hello, this is Crazy Zach here, and I'm going to teach you how to solve this big jumble of mess on Rubik's Cube. Big jumble of mess. I'll even mix up some more. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be this is part 1 of how to solve Rubik's Cube. There's going to be 3 other parts, so in total that's 4 parts. So let's go. Okay, so here's the basics, guys. So here, if you want, you can choose any color you want to solve first. Like, of course, first, everyone knows that you have to solve a side first, but this is the basics. So if you want to solve the red side, solve the red side. But here's the trick. The center, right there, that's red, so that's the red side. So this is front. This is, wherever you see when it's front, that's front clockwise. But when it's front inverted, it's front counterclockwise. Same for all the other ones. Left. No. Left inverted. Left inverted, right inverted, up inverted, down inverted, back, let's see, back, that's back, and this is back inverted. So yeah, that's the basics. So thank you guys for watching part 1 of my How to Solve Rubik's Cube series. If you want to learn how to actually solve it, then go to part 2. Okay? Bye!